Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. Just got a short video tonight, just showing you how to carry out a quick repair to the viscous fan on this F78 Daihatsu Fourtrak 2.8 turbo diesel model. It's a really quick fix. I'm just doing a cam belt on this one at the minute that I've got another video on. I'll put a link in the description below, or you can click on the link above at the minute. All I've done just to get to this stage is we've just got this top trim off, which is held on by four 10mm bolts to the air pipe, and the header tank there, which is again held on by another 3 bolts, and you just simply have to pull the pipe off the rad. All we're going to need to do is just take this fan cowling off here. It's just got 2 10mm bolts either side of the top. We get them off and that'll come out. And the viscous fan, you need to crack these 12mm nuts off. Just to get them off, you might need to nip the belt really tight, or just use a pair of grips on the pulley there just to hold it tight while you undo them. But it's quite a common issue on these. When I first got my truck, it had not been used where it wasn't stressed at all, so it never really kicked the viscous fan in. It's quite a common issue that it seized up. So as soon as I took it and put a trailer on it, it started overheating, and it's due to this viscous fan being seized inside. So but we'll get it off now, and then I'll show you how to do the fix on it. You haven't done it yet, have you? Yeah, got it there. So we've now got the viscous fan out and the cowling. So if you're just doing the viscous fan, not the cam belt, really you can just pull the cowling back and just slide the fan out the middle of it. So also I'm doing the cam belt, so I've just pulled it all out the way tonight. So now we've got a viscous fan on the bench, all we're going to need to do, this is the rod in the centre here that seizes up, basically where it goes through the shaft. And what happens when this coil heats up, it'll move that, and if you cool it back down, it'll coil back. But we're just going to lube it up with some WD-40 underneath, and just see if we can just get a pair of needle nose pliers in, give this a little bit of a twist, just to crack it off, just make sure it's free. So, and then if you want to test it, all you need to do is just heat this up lightly, just with like a little heat gun or something like that. Don't need to get it too hot, and you'll see it start turning it. And then when if you blow it with some cold air afterwards, you'll see it recoil back around the other way. And you can do that if you want to just test it. So we'll just spray it, give it a quick soak, leave that for about 5-10 minutes, and then we'll give it a move with some needle nose pliers. It's quite nice and free, this one, but I'll just show you in a bit more detail what I'm doing. I'm just getting some pliers in there. I'm just trying to move this centre rod just as I twist it and coil it up. You just see the centre rod's moving around there. So it's quite nice and free, this one, but with some WD on it. Just work it a bit just to make sure it's get it nice and free. But yeah, see, it's quite a nice cheap fix, really. Quite a common issue on these Fourtraks, especially if they're not used for where they're not under load, don't do any towing or like that. So but if the video helped, give it a quick thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out the cam belt video as well. I'll put that in the description below. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.